Hello! Today I'll show you how to set Microsoft Word as the default application in Windows 11. Step 1. Open Default App Settings and search for Word App. Open the search menu. Type Default Apps in the search box. Click on the Default Apps option from the result. In the Default Apps window, go to the search bar on the right where it says Search Apps. Type Word in the search bar. Click the result showing Word with a small arrow beside it. Step 2. Set Word as default for document types. You will see a list of file types. For each file type, click on it, then select Microsoft Word from the list of apps. Click Set Default to confirm your choice. After completing the setup, Word will be the default app to open all relevant documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out. See you in the next tutorial.